guys, so this is me and I'm going to show you how I change out a toilet hardware on the inside. My toilet is running and running and running and running and I need it to stop. So I got myself a kit and some tools and a couple of little buckets to catch the water in. Here is the old one that it's not exactly very old, but I have to replace it because it won't shut off the valve. The first thing you do is turn off the water supply. The next thing you do is flush the toilet. Let all the water come out. You will still have some water down in there, so you have to unscrew this and let it drain. Then you need to take the old one out, and when you do, it will flood everywhere. Take off this one, unscrew the inside where the big screws are. At this point, the top of the toilet bowl is now removable. At this point, with it removed, you can go to the bottom and take this piece off. Once you get that piece off, you can take this old piece out. You can insert the new one and screw it in. Go ahead and screw the brand new one in. After those are all screwed in, you install the fill valve. We install the brand new flusher. Once everything is back in there, we connect this back to the toilet. Now we turn the water on and test. Now the moment of truth. And that is how this 39-year-old mama repairs a toilet.